While the battle of Kurukshetra was at its peak, Arjun and Karna were fighting with each other. It was a battle to witness. A flurry of arrows were being exchanged, and even gods were witnessing this epic battle between the two warriors. Arjun would shoot his arrows, and the impact of these arrows would be so much that Karna's chariot would go back by 25 to 30 feet. But Karna also was no less. When he shot arrows, Arjun's chariot would also shake and go back by 3 to 4 feet. More than everyone, Krishna would applaud Karna every time his arrow hit Arjun's chariot. But not once did he applaud Arjun's skills. At the end of the day, Arjun asked Krishna, "Oh Lord, I have shot so many arrows at Karna's chariot. It was being displaced like a feather in wind, but not once did you appreciate me. Rather, you would appreciate his skill despite his arrows just displacing my chariot a little." Krishna smiled and replied, "O Arjun, remember, your chariot is protected by Hanuman at the top on your flag, me as your charioteer in the front, and by Sheshnag at its wheels. Yet the whole chariot would still sway and displace whenever the valiant Karna hit us with his arrows. But Karna's chariot is not protected by any such force. He is on his own, yet he fights alone valiantly." It is said that after the battle of Kurukshetra was over, Krishna refused to get off the chariot till Arjun got down. Once Krishna alighted from the chariot, it caught fire and turned to dust. Krishna said, "O Arjun, your chariot was destroyed by Karna a long time ago. It is I who was still protecting it." My dear brothers and sisters, the message here is, never in your life have the arrogance to say that you have achieved something. If one victory brings arrogance and pride, then it will completely ruin your life and you would never prosper further in your life. If you have achieved something, it is the divine will, it is the divine intervention that has always protected you, cleared your path and given you the right opportunities at the right time. So whatever you gain in life, first thank to God. Doing this, the ego will be destroyed and you will be saved from the bad karmas. Hare Krishna. I hope you learned something from this inspirational story. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.